1 minute, Abhyuday. Yes. This you made it now, Abhyuday? Yes. Okay, the little friend, Abhyuday. I cannot see it because it is an away. Okay. So Abhyuday, you just painted around it and then just give the shade. Okay.
But we should do with the solution, right?
Yeah, yes, okay. It's good. No problem. Okay, fine. Anyone else is there still? Who wants to show me it now? This board, no? I can't.
Good afternoon. Good evening.
Who is that? Who is that?
Have you been?
This board has some problem. It is not moving now. Yes, now it's okay. Anyone else made it for last period? Who is that?
No, ma'am, I think they didn't join the after, guys. Only
Okay,
people are joined.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, sometimes will be Aldous there, otherwise he will be not there, ma'am.
okay, children, I think there is no more students have brought the greeting cards last period. Abhyuday and Leah. Anyone else is still there? Anyone else is there? Have brought? Not.
I have shown.
You showed me. Then
It
Hiba.
wasn't me. It was Hiba.
It was Hiba.
I could not see Hiba. Can you show? Do you have now with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you show me. Okay. I could not see it. Yes.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah. Hiba, no? Okay. Okay, Hiba. Yes. Little this side, Hiba. You just moved. I think you are in front of mobile, no? Yeah. Okay, Hiba. Good, Hiba. Very good. Okay. Anyone? No one.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Aldous will be there only sometimes. Maybe he will be not there.
Okay. No problem.
He is in the airport.
Okay,
yes,
okay.
Ma'am, today he is going to Dubai, so
Ma'am,
maybe
he is
parking
in the
will be there.
airport, ma'am.
Ma'am, parking will be there. No, they will go only in 8 o'clock.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
no problem. But still, there it you have to go 2 hours, 4 hours before, no? So that
Yes,
is fine.
ma'am.
Okay, children. So now I got Abhyuday completed. Then Hiba completed. Then who else showed me? Nia. Okay. Nia, I already marked it. Okay, children, shall we continue with our lesson? So, the last class, we learned about the indicators. Now we are moving on to, these are indicators. Without that also, we can identify acid or base. So that is what we call is pH value. Okay, pH value of acid or base. So pH value is the standard value for acid and base. So we have a pH value starting from 0 to 14. And depending upon acidity and basic nature, each solution has given a particular pH. So what is pH value? We will write first. What do you mean by pH value?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, how we can find if it is an indicator or not?
How do we
find if the product indicator or not?
Indicator, it is already given, no? Indicator, already its name is given. We are buying its indicator in order to identify the acid or base.
Yes,
okay.
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why. And someone asked me, ma'am, is that, who is that? Is it Ashwak who sent the WhatsApp message one voice? I don't know who is that. Send one voice.
Ma'am, I think it is not me, ma'am.
Okay. Risa, is it Risa?
Yes, ma'am.
Something Risa asked me, ma'am, is indicator acidic in nature? Something like that. Is it so? That is,
Yes,
when we put the needle red in the acid turn into red because it is a needle red is acidic or not. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, Riza. But some indicator have acidic nature, but it doesn't mean it is acid. Like turmeric. Turmeric is acidic in
What is
nature.
pH?
We are coming to that. So turmeric powder is acidic in nature, but it is not an acid. That means some of the properties of acid it has got. Okay, so that is the meaning of it. So pH value means it's a standard value. It's a standard value to indicate. Standard value to indicate whether. So in the book, it is just given pH. So I am just giving you definition for that. What do you mean by pH? Whether a chemical substance, is acid, base, or neutral.
Can I write it down? Can I write
Okay.
it down?
Yeah, you can write it down. pH value, you want me to write it down? You cannot see?
No,
You want me to write or what you want?
Ma'am, I want to write down.
So you now give a new heading pH value. Under that you write. It's a standard value to indicate whether a chemical substance is acid, base, or neutral. That means without having indicator, you can also find out by testing its pH value. pH value is a number. So each solution has a different property. That means every solution, every acid may not have the same property. Some acids are strong acids, some are weak acid. So each according to this acidity, acid nature, each solution, each acid has a different pH value. That is the meaning of it. So usually the range of pH value, you can write down range of pH value is equal to 0 to 14. So this is the pH value. Then
Ma'am, we should write it down the pH value, right?
yes. Neutral substance. If it is neutral, its pH value is 7. So usually we have only one neutral substance, that is pure water. Pure water, yeah,
pH value, pure water is
7. Now, for acids,
ma'am, so 7 is the pH value of neutral substance.
yes, and we have only one neutral substance, that is a water. But sometimes acid and base get neutralized. That time also it loses the both acid and base nature, it will become neutral. Then also its pH value going to be 7. For acids, less than 7. For acid, the pH value always will be less than 7. That means 6,
so if
5,
anything
4,
come-
3, 2, 1. It goes on like that. Less than 7
Yes,
means
ma'am.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, ma'am, if it comes to, it is an acid. It's form an
If its pH value is 4, it is acid. If its pH value is 1,
Ma'am,
then
so
also
how
it
do
is
we
acid.
understand how it is?
There is
the
a
pH
method.
value
There
is-
is a method.
Ma'am, like something we'll put in a water, one drop
Yeah.
of some solution.
Yeah.
It will
There is
change
a
the color.
yes. There is a method. There is a method to identify the
Ma'am, so
pH
if it
value.
comes 7, it is natural
It is
substance, right?
neutral. It's neutral.
Yes, ma'am.
And then for base, I am writing here since I don't have time place down. For
Ma'am,
base,
range of
it
pH
is
value means
greater
0.
than 7. For base, it is greater than 7. For base, it is greater than 7. That means 8, 9, 10 up to 14. There are some of the things have highest pH value. It is above 50 and all, but we are not going to that one. We are only going to study the moderate pH values here. And what does it mean? If it is 6, the acid is pH value is 6, that means it is the solution is acid, but it is less acidic nature. Like vinegar, all this solution we use for the food because they are less
Excuse
acid.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Harriet is in the waiting room.
Okay. I didn't get the notification. Let me check in your participants. This board, no, sometimes it will not move when we need it. Admit all.
Ma'am, so does that mean that if the solution or the liquid is more nearer to neutral substance, then it is less stronger?
Less acid and less base. That's it.
Like concentrated acid.
Yeah, concentrated and diluted. So if you come to sixth, it is less acid. If the pH value is 5, then that solution is more acid than 6. Okay. When you come to 4, it is going on. It is going on increasing. When the pH value going on decreasing from the 7, the solution is going to be more acidic in nature. That is from diluted.
So when it comes,
Excuse
it
me, ma'am.
will increase.
Yes.
So if 3 is bigger than 4, right?
Yes, 3 bigger than the acid, not the strong as the strength of the acid with the pH value 3 is more than the strength of acid with the 4.
Ma'am,
Okay.
so the pH value will it come 0 sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes it will come 0.
Ma'am,
That
so
is
it
what
acid, right?
it is not. It is sometimes depend upon how diluted it is going to be. Like
Yes, ma'am.
if you look at this chart, I'm going to make it big. You will understand. 1 minute. So here is a chart of. So you look at the 0 is 1 mega HCl, down also 1 mega HCl. If you look at both of them are little bit acidic nature. But we already learned that the pH value range is 0 to 14. Then why it is M and HCl? So usually the pH value we consider in terms of 1 to 4 only. 0 and 14 naturally. 1 to 13 only. 0 and 14 sometimes may not be base or may not be acid sometimes. Okay, if you look at here also 1m HCl, up also 1m HCl. Okay, why it is so? So that is, there are some substances when you come to a particular state, we cannot say whether it is fully acid or it is fully base. That's the meaning of it. So the correct pH value, we can say it 6 to 1 or 8 to 30. So you can see after 7, it is the 6. So 7 is the pure water, but 6 is the rainwater. Then next, for pH value 4, fish reproduction affected. That means once the water pH value go to 4, then naturally marine species will not live. That's why sometimes factory waste, they are pushing a lot of acidic waste over there. So sometimes you will see the marine species fish and will die. Because the water, after pushing the factory waste, the water will become more acidic. Then it will kill the fish. So naturally, 6 and 5 is normal. So below 5, marine species in water is get affected. Because it is becoming strong acid by 4.
If it becomes strong base also, they will die, right?
Yeah, then also.
So in base, if it go many numbers, if 11 will be bigger than 10, right?
8 to 9, 10. Yeah.
Yes.
Bigger than.
So,
So
when it comes to acid, lesser will become increase, and base bigger will become increase.
Bigger will be increased. That is means diluted to concentrated. So from 6 to 1, diluted to concentrate acid. From 8 to 13, dilute to concentrated base. Another word for base, in your textbook it is not given, but it is in, I think, 8th standard you are learning, I think. So alkali. We call another name for base is alkali.
Yes, ma'am, I heard. I have
yes.
heard.
Yeah, you have heard it, no? Okay. So you see vinegar is 3. That is why sometimes if you vinegar drink, you get a burning sensation on your tongue, correct? If you just put vinegar in your mouth. But once you
Yes,
put in the water, you put in the water, it get neutralized. That's how we are using to get that sour taste. To
What
get
is
the
the
sour
meaning of
taste for
neutral?
fish curry. To get the sour taste for fish curry and chicken, sometimes if there is no lemon juice, usually we put the vinegar in the chicken curry.
Ma'am, what is
Sometimes,
neutral
yeah.
substance?
Huh?
What is neutral substance?
Neutral substance means not acid, not base. It is just like pacha vellam. That is neutral substance. We can call it. It is clearly pacha vellam.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, pure water.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am late to the class because
Hmm.
it was showing like the hospital let you soon. So can I show my greeting card?
Yeah. Who is that? 1 minute.
Ma'am, she's Deba.
Sabha Mariam.
Okay. Okay. Seba, 1 minute. I think all understood pH value. So baking soda is a base. It has a pH value around 8, but we are using that is for cooking because of it is less base nature. Where are you, Seba?
Ma'am, baking soda's base is 8, right?
Yeah. Something. Yeah, 1 minute, Seba. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Seba. You made it now, no? I think
Yes,
so.
ma'am.
I did not dry. Yes.
It's spread out like I write happy, but it's spread out.
Is depend upon how thicker your surf solution. Okay, Seba. So if it is thicker, it may not spread. If it is little more watery, the surf solution naturally it will spread. It's okay, but still we could make a greeting card by using the indicator turmeric and surf
How
solution.
we will understand it is 8 and all?
That is what there is a method to identify the pH value.
Yes, ma'am. We'll put a drop of some solution and it will
Yeah,
change
that
the
and
color.
all you are learning in 10th standard. There's a chapter, chemical reaction, acid, base, and salt. There is a chapter. Okay, I don't discuss now. That is a big process. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
it will change like blue, green, and yellow.
blue, green, and you have to learn that color. Whenever we put this, what color it will come. Whenever put this, what color it will come. So that is 10th standard. Then you have to learn that equation. BaCl2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus all those things. That's your 10th standard portion. Okay. So I'm not making you to get frightened now. Okay. Here now you are only learning the basic. You are just learning what is acid, base, and salt. When you come to 10th standard, it's a continuation. 7th continuation comes to 9. You don't have much chemical equation.
There will be acid, base.
8 is something very simple. Fiber to fiber, then electrolysis. 8 is comparatively easier than 7th actually. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
High school.
Yeah.
Ma'am, because it is just the starting of high school.
Yes. Okay. So 8 is comparatively very easier than 7th standard. Okay.
Ma'am,
And
some people say that 9th is harder than
9th
10th.
is the difficulty.
yes,
Everyone
9th
says.
is 9th and plus 1 is bit harder than 10th and plus 2.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
how it is like that. Okay. Not because the topics what we discuss in 9th is little more dry. It's a dry subject in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Here and all you have a lot of activities. We get more interest. It become a more interesting when you do activity. When you go to 9th and all, it is not like that. Okay. So that is the difference. Learning by doing is better than learning by listening. Correct? Yes. So
I'm Steve's call.
Can you spell the pH value one more time? I may hear.
okay. Okay.
Ma'am, so
This is you will get in internet. Internet you will get more than this. Okay, I'm just giving one
Ma'am,
slide. There's so many different thing. You can go through the pH value and all in internet. You will get little more detail. I just give you for the basic only. Okay, so
Ma'am,
only you
so
understand.
pH value there is that this much only.
This much only. So this
Ma'am,
is a
so we
normal.
want to only learn the range of pH value.
You only learn the range of pH value. For example, if I give you 8, 9, and 4, If I ask you which is the pH value of acid, then what you will give me answer?
Ma'am, base.
4.
894. So which is the pH value of acid? 4. Okay, I don't ask you this stomach acid, vinegar and all. That is for your knowledge because that is not in your syllabus. So only
Yes.
to get an understanding about it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, we understand. 4 is acid because the number is low. That's
Yes.
it.
Only I have to understand
below
7 is
7.
neutral. Yeah.
It is below 7.
7 is neutral, acid is below 7 and base is greater than 7. But as the number is going on decreasing from 7, the acid becomes stronger and stronger. Similarly, number increases from 7, more than 7, the solution becomes stronger and stronger in base nature. That is the only
Yes,
thing you
ma'am.
have to understand. That
Ma'am,
2 points.
when it comes 7, it is
Neutral. It's a
substances.
neutral substance. So even you acid and base you mix together, then a substance is become neutral substance. Then its pH should be 7. That's why. So we are moving on to that one. Oh, so one spelling is mistake. Neutralization in everyday life. So now already you have learned what do you mean by neutralization. The mixing of acid and base is known as neutralization.
The reaction between acid and base, right?
Yes. Reaction between acid and base. And what are the things you will get after reaction?
Ma'am, salt,
Salt and water.
and
Yeah.
heat.
Heat. The heat will be either produced. Heat can either produce or absorbed. So some chemical neutralization, the same way as Geetika showed, neutralization of vinegar with the baking soda. There heat is produced. But some of the chemical heat is absorbed. Means how much when they react, the liquid become cool and cool. I means it become cold and it become cooler and cooler. So that is known as the heat is absorbed. Okay. For example, I think mixing ninth there was something +2 I was doing making some battery, liquid battery. In that when I mixed sulfuric acid, not sulfuric, hydrochloric acid and the zinc sulfate. I mixed hydrochloric acid and zinc sulfate. One is acid, another one is a base. So once I mixed, when I hold it, I found the beaker is water droplets are coming out. Okay, so that is a reaction in which heat is absorbed. Okay, but
you said when you pour it, the water drop was coming up.
water droplets outside the beaker, like it.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
when you touch it, it is very cold, just like ice water. So HCl
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
zinc sulfate we mix together, and then we got a solution, and that solution is having like ice. When you remove the water from the fridge, how that water droplets are forming outside, it is just like that. So that is a reaction where the heat is absorbed. But like vinegar and baking soda mixed together, you can see there is a lot of fog is coming up and effervescence. In chemistry, we call that that function as effervescence. Okay, that came up. So if you touch it, you feel little heat energy is produced. So that is known as
acid.
Yeah, heat is produced. Vinegar is acid already from the beginning of the class. We are talking on vinegar and baking soda, correct?
Yes, yes.
Because these are the two things are common in our life. That's it. Okay, so neutralization in everyday life, we are going to learn, repeat again. When acids and bases react, they result in the form of salt and water. And this reaction is called neutralization reaction. The solution which do not change the color of either red or blue. So how do we understand whether the solution is neutral? So you take a neutral substance. Okay, two neutral substance. You are putting A and B. So in the first substance, we are dipping the blue litmus. Here you are dipping the blue litmus paper.
Which is base.
Oh, it's stuck. Sometimes this board is, it's not coming. So blue litmus and another one we put red litmus. When you observe both of them, there is no color change for blue litmus or not a red litmus. No change in either blue or either red. So from this you will understand it is a neutral substance. Either you dip blue litmus, either you dip red litmus, any litmus, or you put in a blue litmus first. Then you dip the red litmus in first solution. There was no color change. In both cases, there was no color change of litmus. Then we will come to know it is a neutral substance. So that means neutral substance never change the color of litmus paper. Either red, either blue. So that is how you can identify which is the neutral substance. So
Ma'am,
here there is
when we dip, so if it come blue or red, it will be
it will be blue only.
neutralization.
It
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be blue.
If it is there is neutralization, there it will be
Ah.
only blue.
Ah,
The
so
acid.
only in neutral substance use dip blue litmus, no color change. Dip the red litmus in the same solution, then also there is no color change. Then
So,
you will understand.
yes, ma'am, understand.
Excuse me,
If
ma'am.
we dip it in the base also, it will be same color, right?
It is same color.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it really the spelling of neutralization is NEUTRALIS or Z?
NEU neutralization. That's I said I made a mistake in that slide. So something is missing out from that. Okay.
Smriti, it is Z, I think.
Okay.
Ma'am, because usually Z is used in like American English and the other one in this.
But usually in our book we usually use NEUT neutralization. NEU.
I'm not meaning T, ma'am. Is it S or Z?
S or Z both are same. If you go to computer, you see S will come, it become Z. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, in Google,
Yeah,
if we search,
correct.
it will be Z.
And similarly, if you type color in computer, okay, you type COLOUR, but computer will read COLOR. Have you observed that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, so that's the same thing. One favor, even you type favor
So
over
in
there.
exam, if we write Z or
Ah.
S, will be mark will be there, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So even favor. So neutralization S or Z. So it depends upon that. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Where is my slide? Went for something. Where? What is this? Is come?
Ma'am, you can click
Ma'am,
the
there's a
close,
wrong
then
one.
you can click the close, then it will come.
Maybe the Zoom board.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So this is one example of mixing of neutralization. That is, see here Z I am used, this is S is used because this is the picture coming from the internet. Okay, so both is used over here. So here HCl, hydrochloric acid, and sodium OH, NaOH indicates sodium hydroxide. Then they mix together, you will get H2O.
Can you write the spelling of hydro?
You want to learn that, and you will learn in higher classes, Bao. Just learn that. Okay. If you want, you can write. Hydrochloric acid.
Ma'am, the hydrochloric acid is in our stomach, right?
That is a natural, but we can also mix hydrogen and chlorine. You can make artificial, chemical by ourselves. Hydrochloric acid is the one which is present in the floor cleaners, Harpic and all that. Because why we are using the hydrochloric, why our stomach is producing hydrochloric acid to kill the germs. So that is the idea made the people to make the floor cleaner by mixing the hydrochloric acid and some other substances, make it diluted.
This is made artificially, right?
Yes, artificially means mixing two chemicals. Okay.
Not that, ma'am, the hydrochloric acid used in these floor cleaners, they are made artificially, right?
Yeah, they are made by mixing all these things by the manufacturer company. Even your medicine, do you think your medicine is natural? If you look at the strip of the medicine, they have given the combination of that medicine, sodium benzoate, sodium
Ma'am, we cannot even read it.
zinc
what is
silicate, and you
H2O?
cannot even read that. Zinc
Ma'am,
silicate,
scientific-
potassium. Yes.
And scientific names.
Even you take the packets of Maggi noodles. You see the ingredients, Maggi noodles, you read over there. There it will be written lead sulfide and all those things. Ingredients.
Ma'am, they put the scientific names to confuse us.
Yes, these are known as chemical names. So, chemistry, we will learn the chemical formula, chemical equation, and chemical
Ma'am,
symbols.
in H2, what is it?
Yeah, so this is known as chemical equation. HCl plus NOH gives. This arrow indicate gives. So that means HCl, NaOH react together and it will give you the product, water and salt, NaCl. NaCl is the salt. Okay, what is created? So name of the salt, chemical name sodium chloride, and H2O already you know it's water. Okay, so this is known as chemical equation. HCl plus NaOH, H2O plus. So which substance are reacting? We call it is as reactants. Which are the two substances you are mixing or you are reacting? Reactants.
Acid and
And
Ma'am,
which
also
are the
HCl and
which are the
NaOH.
things you are getting? It is products. Okay. So H2O and NaCl is a product, and HCl and NaOH is the reactants. Okay. So when you prepare your PPT for magnesium burning, there also you will see this chemical equation. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Okay.
Ma'am,
So that's
we
it.
want to show it in coming Monday, right?
Yeah, coming Monday. I hope you will be complete. Already, so many students are already sent. So others can complete.
Which one?
PPT.
Okay.
PPT for physical chemical change. Okay, children. So we are moving to the what is the neutralization in our daily life. One neutralization we will learn now because we are left with only 5 minutes. Gone. That's gone, I think. Okay, no problem. I think better I wind up, no children. So next class we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
learn. That is better. So
Okay,
in hurry burry, if I teach, no, it will not good. So we will continue on Friday. Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will be completing this chapter on Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
So get ready for another class test. All those things I'll tell you on
How
Friday.
we will understand how we can make that neutral substance.
That is what? Dip the blue litmus and red litmus in the same neutral substance. If there is no color change in the red litmus, then it is neutral. And if there is no change in the blue litmus, then also it's neutral. Got it? So both litmus paper do not show any color. Any color.
So if we dip a blue litmus paper in water, there will be no color changes.
No color on blue litmus. It will remain as blue litmus.
Ma'am, so
And if
it is neutral substance, right?
It is neutral substance. And you have to dip, it is in red litmus also. Only by dipping the blue litmus, you cannot identify. Why? Because it
that
can
is
be
only
base. Yeah,
base.
it can be base also. So what you have to
we
do?
should both
Dip
acid
the
and
red
base.
litmus also. Okay,
Yes, ma'am,
after
acid and
dipping,
base.
after dipping, remove the blue litmus and then put the red litmus. So red litmus also did not show any color change. That means it is neutral. Otherwise, what will happen to red litmus?
Ma'am, instead of litmus, we can use
It will
another
turn
anything.
into blue litmus color.
Ma'am, instead of litmus, we can use any another thing.
Yes, we can use the indicator, other indicators. Okay, China rose and all, because we have learned that China rose produce some color in a specific color in basic, like phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, when you put in the base, it is changed to pink color.
Ma'am, so the China rose, we should add some boiled water and we should add it into the water.
Yes. Okay.
So there will be no color change.
No color change. Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have tried making litmus paper using China rose.
Okay, make it and bring it on next class. Okay, we will see it. What is going to be.
Okay.
And vinegar with you, vinegar and baking soda or some other base solution, you may bring it. Soap solution, vinegar. That is very possible for us. Let us see whether what does the China rose
shampoo.
do. Okay,
And the
shampoo
shampoo
also.
also we can
Yeah,
take.
shampoo also. It's a base. Okay.